Hello student, welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. I hope you all are doing great. Before I start the video, you all have to like the video, share it and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. Student, if you are having any query, you can ask in WebEx class or write in my YouTube channel comment box. So I will reply shortly. Let's start. Student, in today's video, we are going to revise artificial intelligence. Some topics are there like ANN, artificial neural network, machine language, deep learning, expert system, etc. So let's start. First of all, we are going to learn about machine learning. Student, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that system can learn from data, identify patterns and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Machine learning is a specific subset of AI and trains a machine how to learn. Okay, this is an important line. Machine learning is a specific subset of AI, means artificial intelligence, and train a machine how to learn. So we can say that machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. Okay. For example, student, online recommendation offers such as those from Amazon and Netflix are the example of machine learning application. After that, one important term is there, deep learning. Student, deep learning is a type of machine learning that brings a computer to perform human-like tasks such as recognizing speech, identified images or making predictions. Deep learning sets up basic parameters about the data and trains the computer to learn on its own by recognizing patterns using many layers of processing. For example, deep learning is used to classify images, recognizing speech, detect objects and describe contents. Like if few images given and you have to select a particular ones, okay, like bikes or arrows. So through deep learning, a system can recognize it. Siri, Cortana are the example of deep learning. Student, a practical example of deep learning are virtual assistant. Now, what is virtual assistant or what are virtual assistants? Student, these assistants are responsible for having a smart conversation with the client or customers. They respond to their questions and provide the solution. So what is the use of virtual assistant? They respond to the questions or query of client or customer and respond or provide a solution. They are expected to have an adequate discussion with the customer just like humans. Now another topic is artificial neural network. Student, one word is there, neural, okay, which means which is related to neuron. You know, in our mind neurons are there. So artificial neural network is an attempt to model the network of cells of human brain on the computer. It is like an interconnected web of artificial neurons. ANN was developed considering the way our brain works. It was inspired by the way neuron works, whose major task is to process information. The architecture of artificial neural network is similar to neuron. Let's see this diagram so you will understand. You can see, student, dendrites. Okay, this is the input signals. These neurons are present in our brain. So it is taking input. Okay, now you can see this part, axon. The processing will take place here and then the output will come. Output signal. Now you can compare this one. This is the model of artificial neural network. It is inspired by the neuron which are present in the human mind. Here you can see the input is coming. Now the process is going on and then output is there. Like if our hand will feel heat. Okay. So one message will come to the mind. One signal will come and the process will take place, and then the message will be there that remove hand from that place. So suddenly if we feel heat, so we just move our hand from there. Why? Because some signals are coming from our mind, because mind is operating everything. So here also the input is coming, okay, or signal, and after that according to that process is there and the output will come, the final output will come and the system will work. So we can say thus neural networks are computing system which interconnected nodes that work much like neurons in the human brain. Using algorithms, they can recognize hidden patterns and correlations in raw data, cluster and classify it. Student, now we are going to understand expert system. So first of all, see this diagram. As you know, student, that we can't be expert in all the fields. Okay, it's very difficult that a single person can be expert in all the fields. So sometime we need advice from the other person. Okay, you can see this person, non-expert user. So input is there, user interface. After that, rules engine. Okay, all the process will be there. Then knowledge base, knowledge from the expert. One expert system is there which provide the knowledge, and then it will reach to the user, so through which we can get idea, and or we are able to solve the critical problems. Okay, so we can take help of expert, and this is the expert system. So we can say expert system, or an expert system is a computer system that emulates the decision making ability of human expert. It is designed to solve complex problem. Okay, it is designed to solve complex problem. Student, all the topics are given in your chapter number 9. So refer to your book also for further reading. And you know, student, that this expert system will provide explanation and advice to the user, through which a user is able to solve a critical problem. Now in this slide, we are going to discuss about computer vision. Student, computer vision is a field of computer science that works on enabling computers to see, identify and process images in the same way that human vision does, and then provide appropriate output. It is like imparting human intelligence and instincts to a computer. Computer vision is closely linked with artificial intelligence, as the computer must interpret what it sees and then perform appropriate analysis or act accordingly. Like driverless cars are there. So how the car will come to know that where to stop and where to move? Okay, because of the computer vision. So the system can perform appropriate analysis and act accordingly. So student, these are all the topics which you have to do in artificial intelligence. So go through it properly. You can refer to the old videos also, which we have already uploaded in the school website. So you can open it, and from the deep learning onwards, whatever topics are there, you know the topics now very well. Deep learning, ANN, artificial neural network, then there is expert system, and computer vision or vision system, machine learning. So you can pick the particular videos where all the topics are discussed. You can go through it properly, prepare well. Any problem you can ask in WebEx class, or you can write in my YouTube channel comment box also. I will reply shortly. You can make some questions based on it. You can search through Google also, and you can prepare for your semester. Okay.